Hello, hello. This is Chef Kim. Chef in Egypt for diplomat people. Gagawa tayo ng we will cook a chicken quesadillas. Filipino style. So I hope you enjoy it. We do step by step. We have to thin the chicken. Chop, 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 chop. And then after that one, we have to prepare the bell pepper. And also I put the black beans and then the onion, garlic like that, and then some spice. And yeah, this is the first step I make. Yeah, ano muna yung garlic, tapos onions, yes, like that. And then lagay natin yung yes, bell pepper. So yung bell pepper, it will be cook well and smooth. The smell is good. And then we will put the chicken we chop. And that's it. And we put some spice, some tacos. Yeah, sometimes I put the tacos spice for the quesadillas. Yeah, this